Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today as I just got a beautiful package from Spain. So let's see what's inside here, and I'm telling you, I am very excited about it. Let's start. Alright, this is a special unboxing because, of course, I've been waiting for this for about 6 years, ever since I heard about the existence of this computer. And I've been looking for this for a while, asking everybody, and finally, about a month ago, 2 months ago, somebody from the Apple II. Oh, look at that. Nice. Very nice. This is from Jose Luis. He's from the Apple II group. And look, first of all, look at how he packaged things. This is the way it should be packaged. Look at the corners. It's very important that the corners are protected and also the edges. So he of course, always does a great job. So that's why I was not worried about it. Look, extra padding for the corners. This is very, very important. And I was not even worried about the way he was gonna pack it. So, oh, I gotta be careful here. I like these ones. Ooh, nice. Beautiful. So, again, the story of this is that some folks, very nice folks from the Spanish group. There's a bunch of Spanish groups. Which they're very retro oriented, not specifically for the Apple II, but you know, because there was not too many Apple IIs in Europe and mostly in Spain. But they told me that all of a sudden one of their kind of what's the name of this, Wallapop, it's like an eBay from Spain. It appears somebody was selling this Apple IIc. And they told me immediately, because they knew that now I'm famous because I was looking for it for a long time, and actually there's a couple of them that they have it, but of course they won't sell it, and it's a very, very rare item even in Spain. So the thing I know is that, and I'm sorry about saying all the time, but I'm thinking at the same time, I think I know about this machine is that it was sold by Apple to Latin America and Spain, but it was not very widely available because, first, number one, it was expensive for Spanish-speaking countries to buy these computers, and at the same time, other platforms appeared that were cheaper, and of course, price was very important in those places. So, unfortunately, they were not as popular as other computers. One of the things that I'm very excited about is not this, because this is a photocopy, but in here, oh my god, look at this, in Spanish. This is the first time I see them in Spanish, and they're in pretty good shape, and of course everything is translated, and I'm going to scan all these to upload it to Archive and Asimov. And in here, he told me that specifically he was going to put it like this, so it's protected against, you know, maybe magnetic damage. And there they are. Introduction to Apple II, getting that to basic, and utilities. And in the back, they should have some stuff. Yeah. Playing with Apple II. And oh, nothing else. So there they are. They're not in the original ones, but there's no problem. What I like is the first thing I'm going to do with this, very, very quickly, I'm going to put them with applesauce. I'm going to back them up. So this is part of the most important part of this haul, getting the Spanish versions, and I'm going to make sure that I will back them up. This is a photocopy of a book, but it's kind of a good photocopy of The Apple works in Spanish also. So I'm gonna see what I do about this. Maybe I'll scan it too, because you know I haven't seen it in Spanish. And let's go and see la pièce de résistance, like they say. The machine itself that I've been looking for a long time. Very careful. Oh, he put it within more bubbles. So you see, guys, this is the way you gotta pack things. This is bubbles outside, corners, more bubbles, and inside the bubbles, more bubbles. You see the bubbles over here? Oh, yellow. Just the way I like it. Okay, take it out. Oh my God, it's really yellowed. Put this over here. Look at this. Oh God. Very nice packaging. So it's very important with our equipment nowadays that we take a lot of care in packaging them, so they don't get any problems at all. There it is. She's home. And let's see what we're talking about. The difference between US or you know, American to see is these are symbols instead of text. Also they got icons instead of text, and this is the most important one. It has the Gagne, and as you can see, the caps lock is also an arrow down. It has some other special keys, but these are the most important one. And I gotta turn it on to see how it is, but you know, this is normal for all of them. They just had one, and you gotta check up the one the model that wasn't here. So I suppose this is the with the S at the end, Spanish. And there you go, 220, 240. I'm gonna connect it to a normal power supply because I know the internal power supply doesn't matter. And the external was a 220 that he didn't send it out, as I told him I don't need it. And of course this is gonna get a good retrobrite. But here it is. Here's my beautiful, very appreciated piece that I've been looking for years. Finally, it's in my hands. So I'm gonna test it in a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna test it. Here's the Apple IIc. I'm gonna connect the video to my Night Owl already connected to power, and then my external power, and let's power it up. Beautiful Apple IIc. Let's see. Yeah, it's a ROM 255, and you see there's different character set. Okay, last thing we're going to test with my MECC inspector. Let's boot it. See if we can recognize it. Let's see if it does color. I don't think it's going to do color. No. It's an Apple IIc, normal. Yeah, it's struggling to get color because it's a PAL machine. Yeah, it's not getting it. Okay. Other than that, we can do the tests, and I think the memory is good. Yep, it's a good machine. All right, so this is it for now, and I'm gonna be exploring it more in a few more videos. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, say like, please comment a lot, and see you next time.